Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is nesa, next. Nesa, as in beth nesa, what next? Nesa, next.